Alright, we're back with more stuff from Five Below. I've been seeing everyone open these. I'm not sure about them, but I still got one. I really would like this purple one or the black one. But let's see what we got. It's a cute bag. Okay, we got the purple one. It's a little awkward looking. Okay, that's interesting. It's cute, but interesting. The head's a little flimsy. Here's I think it's a sticker. Comes with a collector card. Okay, we got this Butterbear blind bag. I really would like this one that has a donut. Let's see what we got. We got the donut one. He's cute. Alright, this one I'm unsure about. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. But I love this. Thank you for watching. Bye.